In this video, I will show you how to download and install Instagram on your smart TV. Now, over here, I have the Android smart TV, but it doesn't really matter the type or brand of smart TV you have, whether it's a Samsung, an LG, a Hisense smart TV. This video is going to show you how to still get Instagram into your smart TV. For smart TVs that are not Android smart TVs, towards the end of this video, I am still going to guide you on how to get Instagram to run on your TV. And if you're using an Android TV just like this one over here, first things first, what you want to do is to go ahead and download and install any browser into your smart TV. So you can go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store in this particular case, and then download and install any browser of your choice. In my case, I like to use the TV Bro browser, which is basically this browser over here. So you can go ahead and download and install the TV Bro browser if you want to, but I'm going to be using that for this particular video. So go ahead and select the TV Bro browser. Now from the home, this is basically how the TV Bro browser looks like, and what you want to do is to go over to this search in page feed over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for Aptoide TV. Now this is actually an independent app store that can be used to download and install app APKs into your Android TV. So go ahead and select Aptoide TV over here. Now from the Google search result for Aptoide TV over here, you want to scroll down and select this first link. Now from the official Aptoide TV website over here, you just want to scroll down and then go ahead and click on download Aptoide TV over here. Automatically, the Aptoide TV APK will now be downloaded into your smart TV. So you want to go over to the download section at the top over here. You should see the progress of your download over here. Now once it is downloaded, you want to go ahead and select it, and then make sure you download and install this Aptoide TV app APK into your smart TV. If you're using the TV Bro browser to download app for the first time, you're going to get the prompt to give TV Bro permission to install apps into your smart TV. So just go ahead and give it that permission and then click on install. And automatically, the Aptoide TV app that we can now use to install Instagram on our smart TV will be installed into the TV. Now go ahead and open it up directly from here. From the search bar at the top over here, you want to go ahead and search for Instagram. Now go ahead and select it, and then go ahead and select this Instagram app into your Android TV. Click on the install button over here. Once the app is done downloading, it will automatically start installing itself into your Android smart TV. And basically from here, what you just want to do is to scroll down and click on the install button at the bottom over here. And now the Instagram app is now being installed into your Android TV. So I can go ahead and just scroll down and then click on open to open up the Instagram app. And now we have Instagram running smoothly on our Android TV. Finally, if you have the issue where the Instagram app is actually aligned horizontally instead of vertically just as it is over here, then what you can just do is to go ahead and close the app and then open it up again on your Android TV, and this issue might be fixed. Alternatively, if this does not work out for you, then you want to go ahead and try the second option to install and use Instagram on your smart TV. So basically, you want to go ahead and open up any browser. Now this works for any type of smart TV you have, whether it's a Samsung, LG, Hisense smart TV. From the browser, you want to go ahead and just search for Instagram over here and then click on it, or you can just go over to here and then click on Instagram. Now this will automatically load Instagram on your smart TV, and from here you can just log into your account and start watching Instagram content on your smart TV. As you can see over here, I can just go ahead and click on login over here and then log into my Instagram account on my smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.